Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to redeem Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to redeem Roblox gift card. Maybe because you have a card and now you want to get or avail points from it and you don't know how to do that. Or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to redeem a Roblox gift card. So don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I'll show you how easily you can redeem Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you already have installed a Roblox app. In case you don't have one, you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. So now here what you have to do is that unfortunately in the Roblox app we don't have any option through which we could redeem the Roblox gift card. Therefore we have to go to browser. So I'm going with a Google Chrome, but you can go with any browser of your choice. Just simply tap on the icon of any browser. Once the browser gets open, on the search bar you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Make sure you also go with the same link as I have described, otherwise you will end up on a wrong website that is not our purpose. So once you go with the link, you will land onto that page. At the top, you could see we have an option which says redeem card, which is on the top right side. You just have to simply tap onto that option, and with the help of that, you can easily redeem your Roblox gift card. Once you get here, it says redeem Roblox gift cards. So if you have a physical card, then on the back side you have to scratch and you will find a code that you have to type here. But if you have a virtual card like me, then you have to copy the code that you have got and paste that here. Make sure you write or paste the correct code that is written on the card, whether it's a virtual card or maybe it's a physical card. Once you paste that code, you will be easily able to avail the points, or you could say the rebates. Now just simply click onto this redeem option. It will just take a while to redeem your card, and once it done, you will receive Robux in your account. Once it's done, just simply close it and open the Roblox app. Simply tap on Roblox icon and then the app will just take a while to load, and once it gets open you will receive your Robux. You can check through this option that how much you have received. You can also spend these Robux by purchasing different items into this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can redeem Roblox gift card. Also, if you have any other option of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.